Welcome to our Flutter introductory video. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the exciting world of Flutter, a powerful and versatile framework for building beautiful and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. With Flutter, you can create stunning apps that run seamlessly on both iOS and Android and even extend your reach to the web and desktop platforms. But before we dive into the magic of Flutter, let's understand some basics. Flutter is an open-source UI software development toolkit created by Google. It allows developers to craft high-quality, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. One of the key advantages of Flutter is its rich set of pre-designed widgets, which make it easy to create stunning user interfaces. So, why should you choose Flutter for your app development needs? First, Flutter offers a fast development cycle. You can see your changes instantly with its hot reload feature, making development a breeze. Second, it provides a consistent and beautiful user experience across different platforms, thanks to its expressive and customizable widgets. Third, Flutter is developer-friendly. It's easy to learn, and it allows you to reuse your code efficiently across platforms. Plus, there's a vibrant and supportive Flutter community. You'll find ample resources, tutorials, and a growing number of packages to enhance your projects. So, stay tuned and get ready to embark on this exciting Flutter journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Flutter has something to offer for everyone. Let's start building together with Flutter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!